Alright guys, this is our Big Bend open road race. We're here on Thursday of the event this time. This is the testing section phase of this. Yesterday was the tech inspection and teaching people how to do it. We're on US 90, the road's shut down right now. And they only have 10 miles of the road shut down. On Saturday they're going to have 60 miles of the road shut down. And today I have with me my good friend Phillip. He's the cook. Got my dad, he's helping me with some of the photography. And we're all set up. We got the 2 GoPros getting ready to go to get the cars as they fly by. And that's what we're doing today. We're going to be watching cars go fast as hell. We're going to have a good time. Right, Phillip?
Hell yeah, I wish we had some other stuff here.
Yeah, we're going to get...
Like food?
Yeah, like food, because the cook didn't bring food.
He had one chore. Get up and make breakfast, and he slipped clean through it, and we were running late.
Yeah, heck yeah, we were running late.
All right, guys, the cars are gonna start coming here in a little bit. Let's get going.
That shit was amazing. Can we take it back to 95? In our lives, just staring at the screen every day. I miss the rush of living in real life.
All right, that's the end of the first part of the day. Now we're stopping for lunch. All right, let's clean it all up and go get some lunch, and we'll come back and set it up real quick. Sound good to you, Phillip?
Sounds perfect to me, because I'm hungry.
You hungry?
Hungry.
All right. All right, we just went and had an awesome lunch. Got to see some real cool cars around the courthouse there. It's probably the first time they've been at a courthouse and hadn't been paying tickets, but so we're all back out here set up. We came a little bit further down the course, so we got this over here. We got the camera.
That's the first time you've been to the courthouse and not been in cuffs.
Well, I call those New Mexico bracelets, but so we're going to be able to see that sign a little bit better and get the speed. We got the camera set up again. We'll get the We'll get the drone back up and take some more pictures. And then Phillip is a ginger. He's turning a nice shade of, what do they call it? Strawberry?
Strawberry.
So
Lunch was outstanding. I can't wait to see this new CTSV go by. It's a 200-mile-an-hour rated car. I can't to see what it does on this track.
that's your car you're looking for?
Yeah, that is my midlife crisis car.
Oh, well, you had one when you were 20.
Yeah,
You only gonna live till you're 40, or?
Maybe so.
Well, here comes their thing. They're opening the course. Let's go ahead and get going. All right.